Hi everyone, my name is Logan Hughes. I'm a Digital Research Fellow at the Digital Humanities Initiative at the Claremont Colleges, and in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate the Omeka dashboard and user interface. When you log into Omeka, this will be the page you're presented with. Starting at the top, we have several tabs by Omeka, which allow you to see their price options, several well-made Omeka projects that they have demonstrated in a showcase, the Help tab, as well as an up-to-date News tab. Moving to the center of the page, we have the Sites tab, which allows you to see the sites that you've created, as well as other sites that have been created by other people or organizations like DHSCC that you have been invited to edit. The rest of the tabs on this page are fairly self-explanatory. You can see, edit, or change various account informations. You can upgrade your plan, deactivate your account, or log out. Once you've decided which site you're going to be working on, you have to click either View Site or Manage Site. Viewing Site allows you to see what your visitors will see from the outside. Manage Site allows you to go into the back end of that site and edit and contribute and change information and items. So we're going to go ahead and manage this site. This is your main Omeka dashboard page. Starting again at the top, when you click on omeka.net sites, it allows you to quickly go through each and every site that you yourself have been created. Please note, the sites that you have been invited to edit will not appear on here. Should you want to return to your original Omeka dashboard, you can click here, and it will take you directly back. So will the My Accounts tab. If at any point you want to see what your Omeka page would look like from the front end, all you have to do is click on the title here at the top. This will allow you to see your Omeka site from the front just as a visitor would. Moving along, we have the Plugins tab. Plugins are add-ons that enhance what Omeka is capable of. The Exhibit Builder plugin tab, for instance, allows users to create exhibits out of the items that they have entered into Omeka. We will be making a separate video about plugins in the near future, so keep your eyes open for that. Next is the Appearance tab. Each Omeka page has a theme that is customizable in and of itself. Once you've selected a theme, you can click Configure Theme to go deeper into the details of how your Omeka page will look. This tab also allows the Navigations tab, which allows you to edit how your viewers experience your Omeka page. Moving then to Users. Users is how you control who has access to edit your Omeka page. Once you're ready to add someone, all you have to do is add their email, and then choose which role they are allowed to enter. Supers have unrestricted access to add, edit, and delete anything on the site. Admins also have a great deal of privileges, but they cannot delete modules in permanence. A researcher is given only read permissions for any content, sites, and users, and a contributor is allowed to add items to the Omeka page but cannot delete anything in permanence, and they can't interact with appearance or modules. Then we have the Settings tab. The Settings tab allows you to configure some of the more technical elements of your site, such as the site admin and description, what is allowed to be searched on the sites, the type of metadata being used to categorize your items, as well as which metadata needs to be filled out for each and every item. Finally, on the left-hand side, we have the Site User Interface. The tabs Dashboard through Tags will appear on every Omeka site as a default. Everything below those tags, however, will be based on the plugins you have installed for the site. The Dashboard tab takes you back to the original Omeka dashboard, giving you an overview of your site. The Items tab allows you to see, edit, and add new items to your collections. Collections allow you to do much the same: see, edit, and add new collections to your Omeka site. Next, the Item Types tab has descriptive information on each and every type of item that's allowed to be inserted into Omeka. If you're struggling to categorize where your item falls, this tab should be able to help you. And finally, the Tags tab allows you to see any and all tags you have used to identify items and collections, as well as search through them to find particular items. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as we come up with more content about different digital platforms. Feel free to follow us on our social medias, as they are the best way to stay up to date on what we're working on. If you have any questions for us, head over to our website or shoot us an email. From everyone here at the Digital Humanities Initiative at the Claremont Colleges, thanks for watching.